Hey YouTube, it's another day, and today we are going to be installing the FI Valvetronic exhaust on my Supra. The first challenge of the day is going to be putting a giant box in the back of my car. This is the box. Let's get this out of the way. Hopefully it turns out well. Then I'm going to Brooklyn, and the stand shop is installing the exhaust system under my car, and hopefully it sounds great. I'll show you guys some footage of exactly how the exhaust will sound, and other than that we should be good. Hey guys, so we're out here in a little barren area. Hopefully it's only a 4-cylinder, so it's not going to wake anybody up, but I'm going to show you the difference from the stock exhaust to the sound of the FI exhaust that I am installing today. So yeah, let's get to it. So we have arrived at the stand shop in New York City, and they are the ones who are going to be installing my exhaust system, and the guy isn't here yet, so I'm just waiting on him. We're getting ready to lift my car and putting the exhaust. Unfortunately, the box didn't fit in my trunk, so my dad came with me and fit in his Ford Explorer, and we drove to New York City, and yep, there it is. Is officially off. Wow. The new one goes on. They almost have it on. I think all that's left is the tips. Super cool. And just like that, the exhaust got put on. That's the FI exhaust. I'm under the car right now, just making sure everything's good. The hangers are on. That's fine. Yep. Here's how it's going to sound. Oh. Hey guys, so it's been a couple of days since I've gotten the exhaust installed. I haven't been quite on it. We've had some pretty cold weather here, and I haven't been able to really drive the car around. However, today is finally a perfect day to shoot some exhaust videos. I just wanted to show you guys how the exhaust sounds compared from the stock exhaust. I think it sounds great by itself, even without a downpipe. Now, since I got it installed, I think I'm gonna do a downpipe and get boot mod installed onto the car. Other than that, let's get to the trials. You guys hear the difference from the beginning of the video and how the car sounded with the stock exhaust, and now you guys would be pretty surprised what a 4-cylinder could really sound like. And I feel like if you guys wanted to get it, go for it. It has a really amazing sound, even without the downpipe, even without any tunes. Obviously, I want it to be louder, so I'm going to do more mods on it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna take you on a little drive and give you a little point of view perspective on how the car sounds and everything. Like, if you notice, you could definitely hear some pops in the car, and it is loud, which I really like. Like, the cabin noise is really nice. And we're gonna put it in manual mode, or fake manual mode, as some car enthusiasts may sound. Sounds nice. Oof. Wish the roads were better out here. As I was saying before, I really feel like this car in itself is an amazing car. I mean, for what you get, if you're not really looking for too much power, if you're a car enthusiast or you're not a car enthusiast and you buy this car, it's really perfect for both sides of the spectrum, because one, you could just mod the shit out of a 4-cylinder and drive the car that you would want to drive. The handling is amazing on this car, and honestly, for a 4-pot, it is a really nice car. Obviously, I'm going to be a little biased because it's my car. 3.0 definitely has some more power, but you could definitely get power and sustainability from this 4-cylinder and save a little gas too. Oh, the roads are so terrible here. But the exhaust in general, back on topic, is really nice, and I feel like the FI exhaust team did a really good job with this, and it really makes your 4-cylinder a more deeper growl than what it came with stock. Hey YouTube, thank you all so much for watching. Next week we will be installing some cosmetic mods, and I believe it's gonna look amazing on the car. I was thinking of ordering a downpipe and maybe an intake, but we'll get those after the cosmetic mods. For now, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. I will definitely be shooting more content with the FI exhaust until I wait for those other packages to come in.